Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to get front flash on TikTok on iPhone. For example, if I were to open TikTok right now and I were to pass my hand over the camera right there, you can see that it is completely dark, you cannot see anything. Now to turn on the front flash, all you have to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to scroll down and you are going to select accessibility. From here, all I want you to do is simply scroll down to the bottom of accessibility. Then you are going to tap on accessibility shortcut. That's the second to last option. Then you are going to tap on classic invert. Now that you have turned on classic invert in accessibility shortcut, all you'll have to do is simply triple click the home button to toggle it on. So let's say, for example, I were to go back into TikTok, then triple tap on the home button. You can see that accessibility is now on. Then you'll simply triple tap on it again to turn it off. Once you have turned off accessibility, you'll now see that you have access to the front flash, as you can see right there. Now when I pass my hand over it, you can see my finger clearly. It does work. Please give it a try. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to get front flash on TikTok on iPhone.